Very good morning, children. Today we are going to start with our lower KG phonics reader book. Okay, so this book we are starting from today and we'll be reading A sound words. So as we have completed A sound words and E sound words in a phonics skill book, this is only repeated words, so it's not new to you. You can read. Okay, so shall we start it? Now open the book. So here on the left side you can see the index page, that is contents A sounds. So the first lesson will be Sam, S-A-M, Sam, Pam, P-A-M, Pam, and, A-N-D, and, the, T-H-E, the, R-A-T, rat, R-A-T, rat. Now the first name of the first lesson is Sam, Pam, and the rat. Okay, it's a story. We'll be reading every day. So now you're going to read after me. Okay. So first time I'll be reading, then second time when I'm reading I will pause it, you will repeat. Okay children, but this is very easy using phonics. Now you see here S, what's the sound of S? S, S. Underline S. And AM is am. You know what is AM, right? AM is am. S, am. You have to add the sounds. Am, Sam, P, am, P, am, Pam, A-N, and. We all know A-N and D, and the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, R says at, A-T, at, at, rat. You got it? Yes, Sam, Pam, and the rat. Now these are sight words. A-N-D, and, T-H-E, the, they are sight words. So the entire book you will have and, the, to, is, on, those words. So you have to know, as soon as you see A-N-D, it's and, T-H-E, it's the. Okay, other words you can do phonics. Sam, Pam, and the rat. Okay, now let's go to the first page. Page number 1. Page number 1. Okay, now write the date. A sounds. So we'll write the date here. 1/5/15, 11, 2/1/21, and what day is it? Tomorrow, Monday. Sorry, today is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. 15, 11, 2/1/21, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Okay, then write your name. Write your name. N-A-M-E, name. Okay children? Yes. Now, so let's start. Sam, am, Sam, Pam, and the rat. A-N-T, and, T-H-E, the, R-A-T, rat. Now you know S-A-M is Sam. So this entire lesson, when you see S-A-M, you will say Sam. You will not use phonics again. S-A-M, Sam. Now, what is this? Sam. Sat. S-A-T. Sat. First time you can use phonic sound. You can do split reading. Sir at sat. Sir at Sam. First time. Sam sir at sat. On on at mat. You know at is at. At mat. So first time split reading, using sounds, everything you have done. Now you are used to the sentence. Now you will read it. Sam sat on a mat. Okay, this is how you will be reading. Sam sat on a mat. Now the entire lesson you will have and the, on, all these words. This will be sight words. It will be fixed. Wherever you see and, it's and. Okay. So Sam sat on a mat. Now who's Sam here? Can you see a boy? Yes. This boy is Sam. See? He is Sam. He is sitting on a mat. Where is he sitting? He is sitting on the mat. See? We have already learnt in maths, no? In, on. When you keep, what is this now, children? Can you see? This is pencil. I am keeping the pencil on the book. Now where I am keeping? I am keeping next. Near to the book I am keeping it. Now when I keep on this, now I say I keep on. Like that, the Sam is sitting on a mat. What is this? This is a mat. Can you see? Yes. You have to understand. Then the sentence becomes easy. Okay. Sam sat on a mat. He already sat. Otherwise, it's not sitting, like what do you say? It's he will sit or not. He is already sitting. So we will say sat. Okay. Sam sat on a mat. Okay. Now that's what we are reading here. Sam sat on a mat. Okay. Now we will go to the next page. Page number 2. Turn to the next page. Page number 2. See? Sam sat on a mat. Isn't it? Now you can see something new in this page. What it is? He. H-E, he. For boys, we will say he. Isn't it? For girl, we will say she. Now, he is a boy. So, we will say he. He. H-A-S. What is H-A-S? Has. He has a C-A-T, cat. What he has? He has a cat. And what's the name of the cat? Pam. He has a cat, Pam. Now what's the name of this cat? It is Pam. Sam sat on a mat. He has a cat. What's the name of the cat? Pat. He has a cat, Pam. The name of the cat is Pam. Sorry, it's Pam. Okay. So this is a story, linked story. Every page you will have a new sentence and you have to understand. Okay. Now let's see in the next page. Page number 3. Pam, P-A-M, Pam, sat. Now Pam also sat. Who's Pam? Pam's a cat. Pam sat. Where he sat? O-N, on. His, H-I-S. Here his is Sam. His lap, L-A-P, lap. See where, let's see where is Pam sitting. Look at this. Pam sat on a slab. This is slab. Pam sat on his lap. L-A-P, lap. Understood? Yes. Now turn to the next page. What is this? A can. C-A-N, can. A can. I-S is O-N, on. T-H-E, the. M-A-T, mat. A can is on the mat. Now what's there on the mat? What's there on the mat? Can. Can you see a can here? Yes, that's what they're telling. A can is on the mat. A can is on the mat. Now let's read again. A C-A-N, a can is I-S is O-N, on. T-H-E, the. M-A-T, mat. A can is on the mat. Now, what is P-A-M? Pam saw a rat. Pam saw a rat. Now see, Pam is seeing a rat. Can you see here? Pam is seeing a rat. Yes, Pam is seeing a rat. Pam saw a rat. You can read. Pam saw a rat. Pam saw a rat. Now, what happened? Turn to the next page. T-H-E, the. You have to tell the spelling. T-H-E, the. Rat, R-A-T, rat. Ran, R-A-N, ran. T-O-2, T-H-E, the. C-A-N, can. The rat ran to the can. So on the mat there was a can, right? Now the rat ran to the can. That is what they are telling. Now you have to see the picture, then understand. You can read. The rat ran to the can. Okay. Now let's see what happened. Page number 7. Pam, P-A-M, Pam. R-A-N, ran. A-F-T-E-R. Here after. Here after is little big. Now you can split it. You know how to split, right? Split. You know how to split a word. A-F, F, 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 A-F, F, T-E-R, ter. You understood? A-F, F, T-E-R, ter, after. Pam ran after the rat. Now, the rat ran to the can. The rat ran to the can. Pam ran after the cat. So, when the rat went to the can, Pam also went after the rat. Okay. Page number 8. Sam ran after. Now you know what is A-F-T-E-R, after, right? Sam ran after Pam, P-A-M, Pam. Now what happened? The rat saw the can. The Pam went to the can and Sam ran after Pam. Right? Sam ran after Pam. So, Pam and the rat ran into a pan. Here. What happened? Bum bum sound came. Pam and the rat. Pam is a cat and the rat ran into INTO2 into a pan. Now previous page we'll see what happened. Sam ran after Pam. Then what happened? Pam and the ram ran into a pan. So that's all. A sound words is over. So you have your sentences around 7 to 8 sentences. Every day you need to read this for a week until we start with E sound words. By then you should be familiar in reading this A sound words. Okay, for final exam you will have all the readings only. Mostly you have more of readings. Now, Sam sat on a mat. What is the first sentence? Sam sat on a mat. He has a cat, Pam. Then Pam sat on his lap. A can is on the mat. Pam saw a rat. The rat ran to the can. Pam ran after the rat. Sam ran after Pam. And then Pam and the rat ran into a pan. Okay. So, we have done with the A sound words reading in our phonics reader. So, today you will be reading it and sending it to me. Read. Okay, children, keep your fingers, slowly you read and then practice and practice every day. Every day you have to send the reading video. Okay. So, this video I will send it today and this is for the entire week. Next Monday I will ask in the online class to read. Okay. So now this is a separate video. I will be sending it this for 1 week. You have to practice and send it to me. Apart from this we will have our regular reading work. Okay. Fine. Now you can start using your phonics reader and start reading it. Okay. All the best. Take care children. Bye bye.